This video will show you how to use Padlet. Padlet is a great communication tool and sharing platform. It is web-based, so it can be accessed by any computer. You can also download iPad and Android apps, but it'll basically have the same format. So when the creator creates a pad, it'll look very similar to this. You can choose all kinds of different designs, but I won't go into that too much. What you as a user are going to do is come down to this plus sign to add your comments. And you'll get a pop-up box here, and you can simply just add your message. So you can do comments. This is kind of similar to a discussion board where everybody can see your posts. But I want to dive into some of the other features that you can use. So down here in these kind of honeycombs, you see some options. The first one that you'll see is you can upload a file. So if you create something and you want to share it with a class or who's ever on this Padlet, you can upload that file. You can share a link. You can open your camera and it'll just use your laptop camera or integrated camera, whatever kind of camera you're using. I'm not going to open my camera right now. You can search for images, GIFs, YouTube videos, Spotify, all of those things you can search for. I'm just going to put him right in there. Once you hit publish, depending on how the designer lays it out, it'll just kind of go around here random. And then anytime you see these three ellipses, that's more. So that's really what I wanted to dive into. So you can, we've talked about these things. So another option is you can open your video recorder, and this will open your camera and allow you to record a video of yourself. Same for your audio recorder. Use your system's microphone so that you can just record your voice. You can also do a screen recorder. So if you are doing a website review similar to how I'm doing now, you don't have to find a secondary screen recorder. For example, I'm using Loom, but I could just screen record straight from Padlet if I wanted to as well. You can also draw, so this will open up a drawing frame, and it's pretty basic, but you just come in here and draw. And again, it's harder with mouse, but okay. And let's remove that real quick. Okay, some new features that they've added is you can add items from Pull Everywhere, from Google Drive. You can do this I can't draw, and it'll use some basic artificial intelligence to figure out what you want. So I want to draw a robot playing basketball. So again, that's that artificial intelligence that is at work, and I'm going to go ahead and choose this guy right here. Then you have, similar to before, you can do an image search, GIFs, YouTubes, web search, things like that. But for our purposes, for your assignment, what you'll probably do is either choose the video recorder, the audio recorder, the screen recorder, just do your standard text, or upload a file. So that's how you use Padlet. Then your classmates can come in here and see what you've posted. And if the moderator has it turned on, sometimes you can comment on each of the postings, or you can like or star some of the postings. Just depends on the settings that the moderator sets. I hope you enjoyed learning about this. It's a great tool.